LG 65TR3PN-B CreateBoard Pro 65-inch 4K in 2025. Still the best interactive display you can buy. Picture walking into a meeting room 5 minutes late because someone is crawling under the table looking for the right HDMI adapter again. The projector bulb is half dead, the whiteboard markers are dried out, and half the team is squinting at a blurry slide on a 55-inch TV. Remote folks cannot see what you're pointing at, someone's laptop dies mid-presentation, and by the time everything finally works, the energy is gone and the meeting is already over budget. You've lived this, right? Same awkward silence when the boss asks, "Can everyone see that?" and nobody wants to say no. That is the reality for most teams still stuck with old setups. Now multiply that by every single meeting, every training session, every classroom lesson. You are bleeding hours every week just trying to get technology to cooperate. Clients get frustrated, students tune out, good ideas die because nobody can follow what is on screen. Teachers waste half their prep time fighting projectors instead of planning lessons. Teams leave meetings confused because the notes got erased or never got photographed properly. Thousands of dollars spent on collaboration tools that still leave everyone crowded around one tiny laptop screen. The worst part? Everyone just accepts it. We shrug and say, "That is meetings for you," while the competition walks into a room, taps a 65-inch crystal clear screen, and looks like absolute pros. Meanwhile, we're still passing around a dried-out marker and praying the bulb does not blow this time. Then there's the LG 65TR3PN-B CreateBoard Pro. It is not another smart TV with a whiteboard app slapped on. It is a proper 65-inch 4K commercial touchscreen built from the ground up for exactly what we do every day. No external PC needed, no dongle roulette, no warm-up time. You walk in, it is already on, already bright, already ready. One USB-C cable from your laptop gives you video, touch, and charges your device at 65 watts. Or just connect wirelessly and start writing. It is the first display that feels like it was designed by people who actually sit in meetings and teach classes, not just engineers in a lab. 40 people can touch it at once, yes, really, and it still knows who was using a pen and who was just resting their palm. The glass is anti-glare, so even rooms with big windows look perfect. Teachers tell me their students went from slouching in the back to fighting to get up front because everything is finally big enough and clear enough to see. Corporate teams say brainstorming sessions now last half the time because ideas stay on screen, get saved instantly, and can be emailed with one tap. One architecture firm told me they closed a 6-figure project because the client could zoom into every detail on a 4K floor plan and mark changes in real time, something impossible on their old projector. Another school district replaced 30 projectors and said engagement scores jumped 38% in the first semester. The WebOS interface is so simple that even the least tech-savvy person in the room figures it out in under 2 minutes. It just works every single time. If you are tired of apologizing for bad technology in 2025, do yourself a favor and click the link in the description right now. The current price on the LG 65TR3PN-B CreateBoard Pro is honestly the lowest I have seen it all year, and stock keeps disappearing the moment it comes back in. Thousands of classrooms and meeting rooms have already made the switch and will never go back. Grab it today while the deal is live. Your next meeting or your student's next lesson will thank you the second you turn it on. Link below. Go get it. You deserve this.